All right, so here's our first battery. So if I take these two batteries, and let's just assume they're each 1 volt, and I connect these two pieces together, the two negatives and the two positives, so 1 volt plus 1 volt is going to equal 1 volt because this is a parallel connection, right? But when we do a series connection, we stack them like that, kind of like a flashlight. 1 volt plus, we're calling these 1 volt for modeling's sake, equals 2 volts. And that's your series connection. So let's build on that, right? Let's say you need more than 1 volt, and so you're going to go into series, but you also need a bigger gas tank, right? So you're going to go into parallel too. Well, then you can make a battery that has both a parallel connection and a series connection. So let's look at what that may look like. So here's our example battery. So we have 2 positives and 2 negatives. If we put these together like this, say we stacked them up like that, and we connect these 2 positives to these 2 negatives, we flip it around and do the same thing, we are going to have 2 sets of parallel and 2 sets of series. So this will be a 2 series, 2 parallel battery. We can build on that logic over actual battery packs. So in this case, we have an older battery pack, and the positive connections have a red piece of cardboard insulation on top. The negative connections do not. So we can look at these cell groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6, that's 24. So 24 is our parallel group. And then our series group, here this would be 24P to C, if we just look at this. But this battery is connected all the way across, right? So this is one connection, and when I got it, it was folded, or when I took it apart, it was folded across like that with a piece of, insulated paper blocking the cells like that. So now let's count this. We have groups of 24 in parallel. So 24P is going to be the same across, right? So now we just count our series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24P, 24 parallel, 6 series. That's how we're counting that battery. On this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the 7 has been kind of chopped away. So this is before I chopped it away to disconnect the battery management system, this was 7 series 24 parallel. So in each series, we have 24 batteries parallel. We add these together, we have 24 or 13 series 24 parallel. Makes sense, right? Okay, cool. So that's batteries in a nutshell.